Welcome back, guys, to a new video. Today is Saturday and I'm out on a job. So I'm doing a quick job for a friend, good friend of mine, client, and gonna spend the weekend here doing a couple of bits. So basically I'm gonna be taking out an old bay window radiator, which is a curved radiator, quite a big curved radiator, and replacing it with two vertical designer radiators, which will go either side of the window. I'll show you that in a bit. And then the space of the bay, I'm going to be creating a seating area with storage and so on. So it's kind of a bespoke kind of construction design. So that's what I'm going to be doing this weekend. So I'm on my own and about to start that now. So let's go in and have a look at what I've got to do. So this is the space that I'm going to be working with. You can see the old radiator, which I'll be removing. And to either side of the window is where we'll be fitting these radiators. So you can see the anthracite radiators that we'll be using. And we're just going to measure up what heights and position that we're going to fit them in. So this is the start of the project. So hope you guys enjoy this one, and I'll see you at the end. So the pipe work is running along the floor, which will actually be enclosed in this unit that we're building. So the unit will be built tomorrow, and then you guys will see and understand maybe a bit better what's actually happening with the pipe work. radiators are in, everything's been pressurized, tested, bled the radiators, and they're all heating up nicely. We've got no leaks or anything, so we're good to go. So that is me at the end of the day. So guys, I'll be back tomorrow and I'll start constructing the seating stroke storage area. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and we'll see you tomorrow.